Hello fans, never give up, never. This is experimental physics. You often get it wrong the first time. Now let me prove what we did and have I measured the speed of light using a microwave oven and a piece of cardboard which I soaked under the tap. I put, as you saw, the cardboard in the microwave and I heated it, and we see where the card is dried. That is where the waves, the microwave hit. And I measure the distance between these two dry points here, the same there's 10 centimetres. Now, that is half of the step length, because in the microwave there is a generator for generating microwaves at one side. The microwaves then bounce off the other side and come back, and they interfere with each other and they form what we call a standing wave. Looks like this, where this is what I've measured, 10 centimetres. The distance between two what we call nodes of the standing wave. To get the full step length, I multiply by 2 and I get 20 centimetres as the step length. I put that into meters because the speed of light is given in meters per second. That is 0.2 meters. I then question the company that make the microwave, what is the frequency? What is the number of steps per second? And I get from the company 2.45 gigahertz. That means 2.45 times 10 to the power 9 steps per second, which we call hertz. That's the unit hertz, step per second. If you remember, you proved to yourself the formula that speed is equal to the number of steps times the step length. I have that now, that the speed of light, c, is equal to the number of steps, 2.45 times 10 to the power 9, times the step length, which is 0.2 meters, and that will then come out in meters per second. Do the maths. Simple. I get 4.9 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. And this is not bad. Refining this experiment, for example, not taking 1 minute to dry the card, and I will come down to the real speed of light, which is designated as c, equals 3 times 10. So the result of my kitchen experiment is 4.9 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. The velocity of light, measured using much more sophisticated equipment than the microwave oven, is 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. This is not bad. This is really not bad. Using a very simple microwave oven, the cardboard which I've damped, the meter measure, and you can measure the speed of light in your kitchen. Refine the experiment and you will get a better answer. Please try this at home. It's not dangerous, and you can really, you measure a fundamental constant of our universe. We believe the speed of light through anywhere in the universe is 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, and I've just shown you how to measure that in your kitchen. Thank you.